Hey my loves, what's poppin'? It's your girl Team Stacy and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, but if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? All right, y'all, let's talk about this wig that is on my head. Today we're going to be installing this bomb.com curly wig, okay, period.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
Okay, my love, so today's video is in collaboration with Ashimary. They were generous enough to send us this wig to review. So if you are thinking about getting a 360 curly wig, baby, I'm gonna tell you all the tea and if you should do it or not. So this is what the unit looks like. I did go ahead and part and hot comb it off camera, and I added a little bit of foundation to the lace, but we're gonna jump right into this install. So like I told you guys, this is a 360 wig, and baby girl, this wig has a new technology that is here to change the game. Okay, so now we're just gonna throw this wig on my head and I'm gonna show you guys what you can do if you want to style this hair up into like this updo style that we literally never get to do because none of these wigs come in an updo. So first thing we're gonna do is pin up this thick long curly hair. This is 24 inches, by the way. So as you see these clear strings that I'm pulling, when you pull the strings, the back of the wig actually gets this tension where it disguises the back of your head. Literally, after you pull the string, the wig fits a little bit more snug, and then I just tuck the strings behind my wig. Look at the back of my head. You cannot see where that wig starts. It literally looks like it's coming out of my scalp. So don't mind my camera, y'all. I was making a TikTok video. If you want to add me on TikTok, you definitely can. It's team.stacy, okay, period. I also reviewed the wig on my TikTok as well. But what we're doing here is I'm just adding some water to the wig so I can show you guys what it's going to look like in an updo style. A lot of these wigs do not allow us to get these updo styles without manipulating it and trying our best to hide the back of the wig. Whereas this wig, you literally can just pin your hair up and go. Today, I wanted to kind of get the headband style look, but you don't even have to do that. You can literally pin it up in a ponytail. I'm going to show you guys how good this hair looks and how flat it looks when it goes into a ponytail, okay? Y'all have to see it. But anyways, I'm just going to take a little bit of the leave-in conditioner and I'm just going to rub that on the top of the hair. As you guys can see, beautiful, beautiful wig, beautiful curls, beautiful density. All the details of this wig is going to be down below in the description box as well. But I'm just smoothing it. Guys, look how flat this looks. Look how flat that wig looks when I grab it into that ponytail like that. That is absolutely insane. If you are looking for a bomb wig and you like updos, this is the wig for you. I'm just grabbing my claw clip and I'm just putting this baby up, and babes, she's giving what the girls deserve. Okay, look how beautiful this hair is, the curl pattern, the luster, the way my edges melted, and look at the back of my head. You are not seeing no tracks, no braids, no nothing. It literally looks like my hair just in a pin up. Like it's literally crazy. If you are looking to get your hands on this wig, definitely check out ashimary.com. It's also going to be in my description box. This is my thoughts on the hair. I love it. It's very quality. The only thing I can say, you can wear it in a glueless version. For me personally, it was a little too small, so I couldn't really just let it lay glueless like my hairline was showing. But besides that, Ashimary never played with the lace. Every wig I got from Ashimary always went viral because they're that girl in the hair game. Literally 10 out of 10. I love this wig. I keep wearing it. I have it on my head now. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, join the team, and just do it like Nike. Click the description box if you're ready to shop this wig. And yeah, I love you guys so much and cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.